This is how people will see your channel. We will go here to the Layout tab. If I scroll down on my channel, you can see that I have different playlists and different types of videos that I have laid out to create this sort of easy to see and easy to find layout. Here you can add a channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. And here, a video for returning subscribers, which will show up here. What should your channel trailer do? It should give your audience a preview of what your channel is about and encourage them to subscribe. Make sure you keep it short and also assume that they've never heard of you. You can give a little explanation on who you are or what the channel is all about. Now, in my channel that I just created, I don't have videos to play around with, but all you really have to do is click Add a Section. All right, click Plus Channel Trailer, and then just choose one of your videos and click Save. And now anyone who comes to the channel who is new to it will see this video. Having a channel trailer increases the subscriber count for channels, so it's really important to create that. That would definitely be one of the first videos I focus on creating, even if it's just something short and straight to the point. 30 seconds, 60 seconds. I wouldn't even want it to be any more than 60 seconds actually, just like a commercial on TV. So each of these are sections that you add. You choose the content, so you can choose a single playlist. You can choose your popular visit uploads, for example. You can choose all the videos you've posted. You can even add other channels' videos if you want.